सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. This whole program, this 3-month program, Life Bliss Engineering, I have designed to reproduce all components of living enlightenment in you. So there are so many components of Jivan Mukti, living enlightenment. Person who is a Jivan Mukta will be radiating so many wonderful qualities. One, the high standard of health. Please understand, not just diseaselessness, high quality of health. Second, that feeling of well-being, constant well-beingness. Third, clarity about life and death. So many qualities. A Jivan Mukta, an enlightened person, a living enlightened person, radiates so many qualities. Through each program, there are so many programs I have designed. Through each program, I am trying to reproduce one component of Jivan Mukti in you. Through LBP level 1, I am trying to reproduce the component of clean energy centers, means emotional balance. That's a component I am trying to reproduce through the LBP level 1. Through LBP level 2, I am trying to reproduce the component of the clarity about death. Through the Atmaspurana, I am trying to reproduce the component of completely unclutched, always unclutched. So through each program, through Bhakti Spurana, I am trying to reproduce the component of ecstasy, being in love. Understand, positively in love. We have a very big misunderstanding about the word unclutching. If you are unclutched, you are supposed to be insensitive. Unclutching is not insensitive. It is emotionally balanced, but very deeply, positively connecting with the life. That is what I call Bhava Samadhi. Being in the Samadhi of the life, with the whole life being in Samadhi, being one with the whole life. So through Bhakti Spurana, I am trying to reproduce the component of that Bhava Samadhi. Being in love, passionately in love with the cosmos, with the life. Through the Healer's Initiation, I am putting people to live in the Jivan Mukti continuously. Constant remembrance of these great truths and coming back to that center again and again and again. This is what I am trying to reproduce through Healing Initiation. So through each program, through each initiation, I am reproducing one component of Jivan Mukti, Nitya Yoga. Creating the muscle memory, which will not only radiate health, which will radiate bliss, joy. So through each component, I am trying to reproduce, through each program, I am trying to reproduce one component of Jivan Mukti. Now, in these 3 months, not only I am trying, I have decided, I will reproduce all components of Jivan Mukti in you all. When I say, I really mean it. So, I'll do the job. This whole program is designed to reproduce all components of Jivan Mukti in you. All components of living enlightenment in you. The health, there are different levels. Different components of Jivan Mukti. The ability to handle life, the ability to see through the difficult problems. Jivan Mukta Sarira means anything swallowed should be digested and should become part of your body. Jivan Mukta mind means anything seen, you should be able to swallow, digest it, crush it and clear it. It should become wisdom. Any food swallowed should become energy, and anything seen should become wisdom in you. That is what I call Jivan Mukta Sarira, the body of enlightened and the mind of an enlightened. So different components of enlightenment I am trying to reproduce through each one-on program. Through this 3 months program, through this LBE, I am reproducing all components of Jivan Mukti in you. So all I need from you, be relaxed, sit back and enjoy the flight. Nothing else. Just sit back and enjoy the flight, nothing else. When I say sit back, come down to your body. Come down to your body. You don't need anything else except just live in your body for next 3 months. That's enough. Live in your body. Be physical. This is the first thing I wanted to share with you, so that you will remember. Even if you have forgotten everything else, you will remember this one word. First thing Swamiji told me, be physical. Just be physical. Be with the body. You are here means you are here. That's all. You are nothing more than your body. Please be very clear. This is the first lesson I am teaching you. Do not think you are mind, you are soul, you are cosmic soul, you are Brahma, you are Parabrahma, you are Atma, you are Brahman. Relax. You are the body which you are carrying. Start with that. Maybe your experiences will start growing, expanding. When you start working on these truths, when your experience expands, that time realize you are Atman, you are soul, not before that. Please do not carry assumed theories. Your assumed theory stops me working with you. It just stops me working with you. If you have assumed theories, you are Atman, you are God, you are this, you are that. See, if you think you are a man, you are an illusion. If you think you are God, you are in the same level of illusion. If you don't have any thinking about you, you are in a right space. You are Jivan Mukta. You are living enlightened. You are living enlightenment. So I am telling you, you thinking you as a man or you thinking you as God, both are delusions in different angle. So do not think you are God. Relax. Do not think you are man. Same way, relax. As on now, you know only one thing. You are body. Just let us start from here. Let us start from where we are really standing. Let us know starting point, beginning point, so that we can start the work. So as on now, all you know is your body. Stop with that. Be physical. Be physical. Continuously try to inhale and exhale through all the 21 points. See, that 5 this hand, 5 this hand, 5 feet this side 20. And the top, Sahasrara. Through this 21 point, constantly inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale through these 21 points means continuously be physical. Feel the heaviness of your body, not the heaviness of the mind. If you feel the heaviness of the mind, you will start sleeping. No. Feel the heaviness of the body. If you feel the heaviness of the body, you will be alive, fresh. Feel the heaviness of the body. Be inside your skin. If you are physical, then whatever I am working with you, straight away will happen. Understand? I am radiating energy in this physical plane. In this very physical plane. Inside these few hundred feet, I am intensely feeling me and intensely working on you. Just raising your consciousness and purifying you. All you need is just be physically here, available. Nothing else is required. Just be physically here. See, so many things will be happening during this program. A lot of technical knowledge will be added to you. Techniques will be added to you. The energy darshan, continuous energy support. So many things will be happening in you. All these things will start working on you only if you are physical. Just be physical. Forget about all other ideas. If you have been fed with the idea that you are soul, you are God, you are light, you are powerful, effulgent energy, it's all poison. Relax. Drop from all those ideas. Just be body, be a normal person, be physical. Be physical, the process can start. The process can start. If you are physical, just one word is enough for me to raise you. If you are mental, with all different words, when I say let your consciousness raise, you will start imagining. As if like a flight, you are raising. Some idea, yes, I am raising. I think I am raising. Understand, if you are physical, you don't even need to visualize the words which I am uttering. Straight away they will start expressing themselves in you. Straight away they will express themselves in you. You do not need any visualization, this, that, nothing is needed. Just be physical. You will go through a beautiful process. Very beautiful process. To tell you honestly, all teachings, the technical knowledge and techniques are only to the effect of that placebo effect. The process directly which master does, the energy, the initiation, that only actually works. See, straight away I cannot tell you, just sit, I'll do the job. It looks arrogant. The technical knowledge and technique is the inevitable suffering which you need, without which you will not feel comfortable. The things are happening with you. That's all, nothing else. So it is only like a placebo effect. So if I use a little technical knowledge and technique, you will know, oh yes, I think he really knows what he is talking. He really knows what he is talking. So it's more or less like convincing your logical part to cooperate with the process, nothing else. Nothing else. It's like a Vijnanamaya Koshana Beta, means opening your logical space so that you will allow me into your whole inner space. The energy can start working. The presence can start working. That's all. So all I need from you is be physical, nothing else. Nothing else is required. Throughout this 3 months, next 90 days, decide you are going to inhale and exhale through these 21 points. You will be physical actually. If you inhale and exhale through these 21 points, you will be completely physical. You will be available, directly available. You will be present. You will be here. Completely be physical. Understand? In this LB 3 months program, not only I am trying to reproduce all the components of Jivan Mukti in you, I am completely sealing it in your body so that you will always radiate this. You will always carry this Jivan Mukti in you. Through technical knowledge, I touch your conscious mind. As I was telling, relaxing your logical mind. Just, it's in a way telling you, not directly, indirectly, I know more than you, relax. If I tell that directly, it hurts. So I use all complicated terms, really complicated terms. And if I don't get one, I just make more complication. So that your mind says, oh God, what a brain. What an intellect. So you can relax You can trust and relax with the process. You see, that is the same. For example, if doctor uses more medical terms than you believe he's a big doctor. And you give your body to him. If lawyer uses big technical terms which you don't know, you think, oh, he's a big guy. Then you submit yourself to his opinions. So same way, once in a while I use big terms just to tell you, please relax and allow this process to happen. That's all, nothing else. Otherwise, the technical knowledge and the technique are only initial level work. The technical knowledge works on your conscious mind. Techniques work on your unconscious mind. Means little deeper than conscious mind. Like the mind which you carry during the deep sleep, during the dream state. Usually whatever junk you swallow during the waking state, that only comes in the dream state. So the little deeper layer, that will be cleansed by the technique. Apart from the third important thing, initiation, the energy, that changes your very brain. Please understand, I am not saying mind, brain. Your brain develops subtle grooves to hold and radiate the enlightenment energy. So the very brain transforms, not just mind. If it is just psychological, it will leave you. After 2-3 years, it will fade. What I am doing here is not just psychological, creating physiological changes. Mutation of the very body. So, this initiation, actually, I did 2 scientific study. Now we want to do complete further studies. Just by the initiation, what all the changes happens in physical brain. I am not talking about mind. The brain develops subtle grooves. The subtle system to hold and radiate this energy. Through this 3 months, I am working on your very body, on your very physical body, working on your muscle memory, working on your physical brain, not just the mind. See, working on mind does not need actually my physical presence. YouTube is enough. If you want just psychological experience, YouTube is enough. 600 discourses are there. I tell you honestly, these 3 months, whatever you are going to hear from me, everything is already put in YouTube. You don't need to be here physically at all. Just have your computer and YouTube discourse, that's enough. To create the psychological effect, YouTube is enough. But here, I am not creating just psychological effect. I am creating physiological effect. So that when you go back, you will radiate me. You will radiate this whole thing physically. Physically you will radiate. So understand, if it is just psychological effect, there can be some conflict, this, that, so many things. But when it becomes body, your muscle memory, bio-memory, you just radiate. So please understand, whole next 90 days, inhale and exhale through all these 21 points, not just through the nose, through these 21 points, just 2-3 days you will be habituated. You will see very clearly, you are really inhaling and exhaling through these 21 points. Crown, 1, 5, 6, 5, 11, 5, 16, 21. That's all. Inhale and exhale through these 21 points. Whether you are walking, sitting, talking, dancing, all the time. Remember, inhale and exhale through these 21 points. That's all. Inhaling and exhaling through these 21 points. Make this as a basic way of breathing. Basic way of breathing. You will see whatever I am talking, whatever I am saying, when I say be physical, you will really live it. You will be really physical. And the process can be intense. The process can be so beautiful. Please understand, It is from bliss to bliss to bliss to bliss. So no pain, no suffering. If you think you are going through some low mood, you are responsible. Process is not responsible. Be very clear. The problem is the moment you make it sacred, you will never come out of it. So do not make any of your suffering sacred by associating that with your spiritual growth. No. All suffering is suffering. All suffering is suffering. Understand? It is no way connected to spirituality. Spirituality is from bliss to bliss to bliss to bliss. Over. So anything else comes in between. Be very clear, it is simple stupidity. All you need is little intelligence. Over. Nothing else. Do not associate your stupidity and depression with spirituality, and do not give sanctity to your stupidity. And that is the first thing. See, when you give sanctity to your stupidity, it can never be cleared. I have seen people giving sanctity to their stupidity, saying, no, I am going through some Kundalini process. That is why I am in low mood. No Kundalini process will bring low mood. No Kundalini process will bring irritation. No Kundalini process will make you shout at others. No Kundalini process will give you any negativity. So all process which happens here through me, our system, our tradition, everything is foolproof, time-tested, eternal, and from the oldest living spiritual civilization. So be very clear, it is from bliss to bliss to bliss to bliss, that's all. From joy to joy to joy to joy. Over. Understand? Now so many instructions you will receive. Even if you miss all those things, if you catch this one instruction, that's enough. Be physical. That's enough. Nothing else is required. I'll be able to do what I want to do. If you are physical, nothing else, just one touch is enough. Understand? This bio-memory, this body is completely ripe in Jivan Mukti, in living enlightenment. It is boiled in that intense energy. So this body does not carry any more qualities of the matter. It radiates all qualities of consciousness. That is why any body it touches, this body touches, that body becomes healthy. Understand? This is the science of healing, nothing else. This is the science of healing. So when a body which is intensely radiating energy, which does not carry any percentage of matter in it, when it touches another one body, it brings the same well-being in that body also. So when this body touches, that very initiation is enough. Please understand, when I say all these words, I am just straight away stating the fact. I am neither exaggerating nor trying to be humble. All humbleness is nothing but ego, inverted ego. Getting attention in a different direction, that's all. See, humbleness is nothing but getting your attention in a different direction, from a different angle. A cunning ego is humbleness. A brutal, simple, innocent, ignorant ego is ego. And who is little cunning, who is not that direct, who is very polished, polite, and educated. That ego is what we call humbleness. That's all, nothing else. I am neither bragging nor humble. I am straight away stating the fact. I am here to share Jivan Mukti. The initiation is enough. Nothing else is required. If you are physical, I am straight away physical. I landed on the physical body. Understand? So just touch is enough. This can be transmitted. So all the technical knowledge and technique you are going to go through in this 3 months is nothing but preparing you for the touch. That's all. preparing you again and again to be physical so that this transmission can happen. So that this transmission can happen. Nothing but bringing you back to physical, that's all, nothing else. Whole process, you will simply become really available, just open. You will become physical. So the first word, first teaching, the first message is be physical. Inhale and exhale through all the 21 points. Even while you are eating, inhale and exhale through all 21 points. You will eat only the quantity you need. There will never be something called overeating. Whether you are sleeping or eating, everything will be properly in tune. Just if you take up this one idea, be physical. Nothing else. Nothing else. All these teachings, technical knowledge, technique, everything is almost trying to bring you to that plane so that the transmission can happen. Understand? Here I am intensely radiating the energy and you are somewhere. How will it work? That is the way people miss. That is the way actually the missing happens. If you are physical, because I have landed in physical plane. You see, if I am in a mental plane, you guys are very good with the masters who are no more in the body. Because you can go on, imagine, he is also in different plane and you are in different plane. Both of you never need to meet each other, never need to hit on each other, never need to bump on each other. Just he is somewhere and you are somewhere, both of you are happy. People come and tell me, Swamiji, can you find out from this Agastya's nadis and tell me what should I follow, my teachings for me, for my spiritual growth? Directly I am telling. They do not want. They want some old palm leaf which is written 10,000 years ago, which is not even clear now, which you can neither read or nor understand properly. They want from that leaf instruction. They say we want to meditate on Mahavatar Baba so that he will come and appear and give instruction. Physically I am sitting and giving you instruction, these guys are not following. They want somebody in some different plane to come down and give instruction. First of all, what will you guys understand? Understand, all transmission, all explosion, all experience can start only from physical plane. So decide to be physical, completely centered on the body. You will be a new being. You will be new being. Be physical, you will see thousands of things happening in you. Not thousands, millions. Millions of things happening in you. The transformation in millions of ways happening in you. The whole field, this whole energy field is physically available to you. Constantly the process will be happening in you. Constantly. Not just the time you are doing yoga, meditation or anything. Constantly the process will be happening in you. Understand, everything here is here, radiating my presence. So all you need is be physical. Be physical, you will see that really the deity will talk to you. Banyan tree will talk to you. This Shivalinga will heal you. That very water, when it showers on your body, you will see the healing happening. So be physical. You will see all the miracles. Do not be mental. Do not be imagining. Do not be visualizing. Do not be fantasizing. There is no difference between fantasy and visualization. Relax. If you think there is a difference, it's a lie. It's all one and the same. Fantasy and visualization are all one and the same. Just be physical. You will see the real process happening in you. The real process happening in you. I wanted you to carry all the different components of Jivan Mukti in you. The health, mental wellness, joy, causeless excitement, reasonless excitement, and the clarity, intelligence to know answers for all the questions, to grab, understand all the things of the cosmos. Whether it is life or death, anything comes in front of your mind, you must be able to simply see and know. Anything brought in front of you should become wisdom. Any food put inside your body should become energy. Anything brought in front of your mind should become wisdom. So components of all components of Jivan Mukti should be reproduced in you. Just be physical. You will see all components of Jivan Mukti is reproduced in you. Otherwise, I have no way I can introduce this program. Please understand, because this program every day is introduction to the program. I can say, this program is introduction to the program. I can't say that essence of this program is all this. So this is the introduction. I cannot give you the preview. Preview means important scenes, to give you the taste, spice of that show. But here, in this show, every slide is important. I can't cut few slides and show you preview. The program is so important. Every bit is so important. I cannot give you preview. So I cannot give you introduction, because the whole program itself is an introduction. Every day you will see new things are opening up, revealing, expressing itself through you. Be physical, you will see all these things disappears. Feel the weight of the body, you will never feel tired. If you feel the weight of the mind, you will feel tired. That's what makes you tired. Feel the weight of the body. Be physical. You will not be tired. I have no other words to introduce the program. The whole program is an introduction. You will see such a deep excitement and enthusiasm radiating through you. You will be just excited for no reason. Just be physical. That's all. Do not bother about age. We will bring at least 30 years back in these 3 months in you. I wanted all of you to remember, you are in an orthodox, traditional, Vedic monastery. The tradition, the oldest spiritual tradition, living spiritual tradition. So enjoy every bit. Enjoy every bit. I have put so much of energy and time in chiseling every action of this monastery, this ashram. This is Enlightenment Epicenter, EEC. Enlightenment Epicenter. Just mix around. Enjoy. You will see. Not only you will learn, you will develop so much of that sacred feeling, that sanctity to whatever is existing here. Whatever exists here. I do not want to give you a heavy introduction. If I give heavy introduction, you will be lost in introduction and miss the program. I have seen many people being lost in if they see the preview of any movie, the whole movie they will look from the angle of that preview. Preview spoils you the directly enjoying the movie. I have seen many times the preview shows, they spoil. Trailers spoil the way you enjoy the whole movie. Because when you see the trailer, you will be just waiting only for those scenes. Only those things will attract your mind. And you will miss all other parts of the movie. And even if you see other parts, you will understand only from this angle. So, I do not want to give you any trailer about the program. Because you will miss the program. No. The whole program is introduction to the program. Just go through. Enjoy. Just go through. Enjoy. This time I have introduced second level and third level Nitya Yoga to you all. So whatever I learned from Raghupat Yogi, you guys will be learning. Really, the deeper levels of Nitya Yoga, all the chakra and energy based Nitya Yogas. The real Nitya Yoga directly works on enlightenment and very strong. So enjoy the whole thing, go through the whole thing. Only one lesson from this whole session: be physical. That's all. Be physical. That is the essence of this whole session, whole thing. So enjoy. I bless you all. You will all achieve Jivan Mukti. You will all radiate all components of Jivan Mukti. Let you all achieve and radiate the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.